want to make this video because I have tons of modifications done to this 335. Obviously, I bought it modified. I want to go ahead and break down what's all done to it, what the parts and brands are on it. But first, look at those semi-truck trailers. Do you think my lowered 335 can fit underneath those trailers?
No.
I think we should try putting the 335 underneath those trailers.
I don't think it's gonna fit.
I think it's gonna fit. Comment, do you think my 335 will fit underneath those trailers? All right, screw it, let's go. Let's try it.
Let's go further. Oh, no, no, no. Stop.
What does that look like? I want to see what that looks like. All right, well, never mind. That, well, now I know I do not want to rear end a semi-truck because that edge is coming right for my face. But dang, that would have been a sick picture if I had the car underneath the trailers. It still looks kind of cool with it sitting like that. Yeah, definitely don't want to rear end a semi-truck in this car. That's actually really scary. Yeah, I don't think you'd survive that one. So here is my 2009 335 X-Drive. By the way, Alex abandoned me. She's riding my longboard. Anyways, I'm gonna start off by breaking down the exterior modifications done to this car. So to start off with, this car has a M Sport bumper, which looks super clean. We've got a carbon fiber lip, which, I mean, if you don't have a front lip on your car, even though they break a lot, you gotta get one. They just complete the look of the front end. Next, we've got these, the F8X grills. So these are the same grills that you get on a M4, M3. Those look super, super clean. Coming around to the side, the next mod we have is the best automotive YouTube channel out there. All right, back to it. So we've got some Apex wheels. These things look super, super good on space gray. I know the tire size, we've got 265, 35 in the rear. And by the way, these are 18-inch wheels. And then we've got, I think it's a 40 sidewall. Yeah, so it's a 235, 40, 18 in the front. The fitment is on point. It looks really, really good on this car. They are fully maxed out right now on the coilover, so sits really low. Now I'm gonna be listing all of the parts that are on this car in the description of the video for you guys, but we've got carbon fiber mirror caps and they fit really well. They don't look cheesy or anything, really good fitment. Coming down over here, we've got a blacked out LED side marker. It is sequential, so I'll show you guys. Check that out. Sequential side markers just look super good. Next thing is the carbon fiber M3 style side skirts, and they look really, really good. It has such a nice like body line right there. Okay, coming around to the back, I've got my annoying temp tag. I'm still waiting to get my plates, but we've got a M Sport rear bumper. We've got these side splitters. Then we've got a high kick carbon fiber spoiler. I believe it's a PSM. Then we've got my favorite part, which are the Bay Optic taillights. Full LED with the cleared out, smoked out lens. And these are also sequential, and I'll show you that. Yeah, check out those taillights. It really updates the rear end having LED taillights because these cars are getting kind of old, so it's nice to have LED taillights. So I know a lot of you guys are probably saying, why don't you have a carbon fiber rear diffuser? Well, don't worry, that's coming. I'm just waiting to get that in because I've got these. This up. I've got these carbon fiber exhaust tips, which are gonna fit really nicely because the OEM ones look like garbage. Now, the coilovers, they are BC, I forget the exact name, like super low or extreme low coilovers. Super high end, really nice quality. Super lucky to get those on the car from the previous owner. You can check out the hardware right there. So that's all the exterior parts. Now let's hop into the engine bay. Now the engine bay, we've got VRSF intakes. Then we've got I forget which company, I'll find out, but we've got an aftermarket charge pipe with a tile blow-off valve, which is red, matches the intakes. And then deep down in there, we've got catless downpipes. The rest of the exhaust is completely stock. I still need to get a cat back exhaust system for this thing because it's way too quiet right now. Then if you come down here, you can see a 7.5-inch VRSF upgraded intercooler, which is a must-have for keeping these N54s nice and cool when you're ripping on them. And it also just looks so sick from the front. So you complement all these bolt-ons. The previous owner did put this car on a MHD Stage 2 tune, and it feels really good. It's a nice daily drivable power, stock turbos, fully bolt-on MHD. It doesn't get any better than that. Until I start making more power, then I should probably consider a daily driver. Right, Alex? Yes. Let's hop inside. So, it's a little messy, sorry. I gotta vacuum my car still, but we've got a Colorado N5X carbon fiber steering wheel with matching brown stitching to match the saddle brown seats in this car. Then we've got a carbon fiber armrest. We've got a full carbon fiber trim all the way down there, all the way on the dash, even on the door handle, pockets, whatever, all carbon. Looks really, really good when you get in here. And it's a single hump, so I don't have the iDrive system, which is perfectly fine by me because iDrive is trash in this generation. Next, we've got the Alcantara accents. We've got an Alcantara shift boot by Colorado N5X, Alcantara door trim pieces, and I'm a sucker for Alcantara, so having the carbon Alcantara really makes this interior feel really, really nice. As far as that's really all I have in the interior. It's super clean, carbon fiber trim, steering wheel, bits of Alcantara matched with these saddle brown seats. Looks really, really good on this space gray paint. So that's basically everything done to my car. I'm not gonna go over maintenance because I don't know, it's had all of its maintenance, all the gaskets, oil changes, walnut blasting, it's all been done. So obviously this car has a lot of mods done to it. Are there still mods that can be done to it? Yes. It's an N54, guys. This platform is full of fun things to play around with. So yeah, I'm basically gonna take this build, which is super clean, super tastefully done, and I'm gonna add my own touch onto it. So throughout the next couple of months, I'm gonna be putting a lot of special parts on this car. So you guys just gotta stay tuned and see what we do with this already super clean 335. Okay, so for all the OG subscribers on the channel, you recognize this shirt, and sorry, I just got a dog, so it's got some dog hairs on it. But I'm including this in this video because I am working on a new hoodie and t-shirt design that's gonna include the 335, also a second design, which is gonna be really, really clean, and I think a lot of people will want to wear it. And wow, this has lots of dog hairs on it, so I'm so sorry about that. But we've got automotive therapy in the front, and yeah, I might still sell these t-shirts and hoodies just because I know a lot of you guys still like the M4, which that is my old car right there for you guys that don't know. Anyways, new shirts and hoodies coming soon. Alex is excited, I'm excited. You got to get your hoodies ready for winter. Okay, Alex and I are gonna longboard and take some pictures on this beautiful September day. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you for getting to this point of the video. That's all I got today. Peace out.